All right, guys. Second flight of the season. Just gonna cruise the valley a little bit and go up. Nothing really, just kind of flying solo. Knocking off the cobwebs, of course. Big thanks always to Cal, Chad, Kyle, and Robbie. And my friend Daniel, who says, you don't have to wear a Red Bull hat to be good at things. Okay, let me get settled up here. Hey Jerky, how's that landing for you? I can work on it a little bit. How sick. All right. I don't know, I dropped to like 35 MB on the video up there. Then actually it boosted back up. I'm flying a little, oh I see, yeah, I gotta, you can't contour too much after that first fall summit or you will dip down on the way to the top one. I think that's maybe what I'm dealing with here. Not enough back set. But yeah, second flight of the season. Oh man. Blah 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 blah. And so it'll take a little to get it warmed up, and I kind of like to fly with my FPV bros when I'm doing this. There's not much to freestyle around on with the 5, like not enough rock bars or anything. I caught a nice diagonal on the way down with that one though. That had a good. Okay, what more do you want? These are nice. I need a car to. I know I don't. I could just hike. I mean, I hike like a tourist carrying a grocery bag. Like, I didn't plan on. I hiked maybe a mile to here. Like, if I was prepared to hike 3, 4, then to fly. Oh my. All right. I'm glad I got to share this with you. Could come in some weather later, but dude, come on. Second flight of the season. What do you say? And yes, you could tell I was flying scared all up. And couldn't get low to the deck. It's all right. Felt great. Having a beautiful day. See you later.